everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for checking out my channel. I'm going to be doing on a black canvas 12 by 12 the Arteza's acrylic 10 iridescents. These guys right here. I've just put the black down, and the black is called fancy black, so it actually kind of looks copper. From my version of what I see here, I would say copper. By looking at the camera screen right now, it looks black, but I've definitely got a copper sheen happening, so it'll be interesting to see how this turns out. I've never done the iridescent black. I've tried these other colors as well. There's 9 other ones, like fairy tale blue and shocking lime green, glowing peach. I've put them all into this cup right here. So this little cup cocktail is going to be flipped right on here, and then I'm going to give it a spin with my Lazy Susan and see how it turns out. It'll be a test trial run. Let's see if we like it or not. I definitely like the Arteza's iridescent colors so far. I've done a swipe and I've done a Dutch pour. Both paintings turned out beautifully, so let's hope this one does as well. So I'm just going to put this box aside here, and we're going to give this a whirl. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I can use all the help I can get. And everybody that keeps coming back and watching my videos, thank you so much. You know I appreciate it very much. And all the comments, love them, read them all the time. Please keep them coming. Okay, so we've got the fancy black down there. Got my cup full of paint. We're going to flip it, make a mess, see what happens. Fingers crossed. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. I'm just going to let that sit for a minute or two, and then I'm going to pull it off. We'll see how it looks. I might use my paintbrush, just the end of my paintbrush here, just to draw a couple of lines. Undecided. Just winging it. It'll be a quick little video. Sorry, I gotta turn my AC off. Hold on one sec. Sorry about that. I forgot I had it on. It was a little hot in here when I was mixing paint. Okay, long enough. Let's pull this cup up and see how it looks. There's some interesting colors mixing together there. Okay. Put that aside, reuse that later. Let me give it a quick torch. Get those bubbles out. A few big bubbles there. Oh, I see some cell action happening. That's exciting. Okay, now I think I am going to do a little bit of a pattern. Just running my paintbrush through the paint. Okay, call that done. Let's hope that that helps with the spinning. Okay, let's get this sucker spinning. 1, 2, 3. Try not to wear too much of this paint. I really don't want to lose that purple decoration I got happening. Don't flow off, don't flow off. Stay on there. Might have to tilt it a little bit. I definitely see a couple more bubbles I got to get out of here. Anybody dizzy yet? Okay. Definitely got some very neat patterns coming out. I'm going to try and stop it there. I see bubbles here, or a lump. I'm not sure what it is. Just going to give it a minute. Just going to see if this is a bubble. Not sure. It's something. Okay. there any more? You like that technical ability with toothpicks? If you don't have tweezers, you improvise. Okay. I think that's much, much better. I think I want to lift this first before I spin it anymore. I want to tilt it this way a little bit because I really like the purple that's coming out. But it looks like we got like flower designs happening, and just want to keep that purple moving. That orange is really overpowering it to me, so. Sorry, I guess you can't really see that. Okay, let's give it another spin. Before I do, just want to make sure that that's not a bubble and that's not a bubble. Oh, that's good. Nothing's stuck in there. Okay, let's give it a spin. The colors on my tablecloth right now, wow, really nice. Oh, don't want to wipe it out too much by stopping it. There we go. Okay. Not sure why these bubbles are coming up the way they are, but I'll work with them. That's definitely something in my painting. Question is, did I get it? Yeah, I did. I don't know if it's dry glue from sitting in the plastic cups I had them in or what's going on, but I definitely am not crazy about what's happening. Okay, let's spin again, see if anything changes. Now there was a little bit of silicone in the Playful Pink, which was the white color that went in the cup. And I'm thinking that's what's causing this problem here. Or it's the fancy black that I put down as the base coming through. Okay. I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to try and make this a little more interesting. I don't know if it will help. Love the purples. Don't mind the orange so much now because it's not overpowering it. And I like that squiggly line I did. It actually looks pretty cool. So I think I might be doing a couple of those. Just going to let this stop. I'm not happy with this spot here or here. So let's do some squiggly line and see if we can work with it. Gave that a little more power than I wanted to, but that's okay. One thing's cool about abstract art, you can do so many things and you can get away with it because nothing needs to be perfect. That looks really cool now. That's interesting, huh? Okay. Now, I want to add one more over here. And I think I might be calling that done. We'll see how it goes here. I'll give it a little torch. Okay. Is that enough? What do we think? I'm gonna pick this up, tilt it for you guys. Tell me, what do you think? Do I keep going? Do I keep doing a squiggly line? Just not sure. Get some purple on there. This side needs a little bit of orange. Okay, maybe one more line, one more spin, torch it, and be done. And the one more line is going to go from here to here and around to here. Yeah, that definitely makes you look at the painting for sure. Try and follow the lines. A couple of the lines almost look like ribbon. Yes, I'm officially calling that done. Alrighty, hopefully you got a good view of that. It's definitely beautiful colors. It's going to dry beautifully. Abstract art at its best. Alright, thanks everyone for joining me. Please hit the subscribe button. Come back and visit. Check out my page. There's lots of videos there. I think I have over 115, something like that, videos to watch. Some of them are better than others, but it's all in the name of fun. Alright, just go with the flow, everyone. Thanks for joining me.